Aishi and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a review on Bioderma's micellar water and also their Atoderm nourishing cream. So I'm going to talk about the ingredients, the prices, my final review, if I recommend it or not, and also I'm going to show its application on my face. So if you guys are interested, then stay tuned till the end. I'm going to first talk about Bioderma's micellar water because it's the most hyped product, especially now as a makeup remover. So this is how the product looks like. So it comes in a cute little white bottle and then it has this pink little cap. So it also comes in a beautiful bag which I'll be showing you in some time. So I received this as a PR with this beautiful bag which consisted of this and this Atoderm cream. So I had two Atoderm cream and one is already finished because I love this product so much. But before getting into that, let's talk about this one. So this is a makeup remover which consists of micellar water, and this is my first time trying a micellar water to a makeup remover because I usually use wipes or I would just go with coconut oil or some oil like that to remove all of my makeup because I just like to follow healthy remedies like that. So I have never used any micellar water before, but this is my first time using it and I totally recommend it and I totally love it. So it is made up of some really healthy ingredients and I really like it. So the micellar water, this is the quantity. I hope you can estimate. So this is the small bottle. There's also a larger bottle which comes in a bigger size. And I have already used little bit of it, or at least you can say much of it, because I don't usually do much makeup, so I do not require it yet, but I think it's going to be finished soon once my office reopens. This is a great product for removing your makeup. So even if you are using waterproof mascara and makeup and liquid lipsticks like the one which I'm wearing right now, by the way, I am going to show you its application on my face, so you do not have to worry about that. I am going to show you how effectively it works. So it's a great makeup remover. It helps in getting rid of even the toughest makeup which is on your face, and for me I think one swipe is enough to get rid of all that makeup. However, if you are putting layers of foundation which we usually do to get our correct tone, then it might take 2 to 3 swipes, but for me one swipe is enough to remove that eyeliner and the liquid lipstick and all of that. It's not very oily, it's not very sticky, and I have been using it for a month I guess, and I did not experience any kind of rashes, any kind of allergies, any kind of irritation, although it's here mentioned that some people might find it sensitive on their face and skin, but with me it was not that. Also, my sister and my mother have been using this and we are all of different skin types, so I can say that although we are all of different skin types, we did not experience any kind of allergies with this product. So it does not leave any kind of cast, it does not make your skin feel sticky, it does not cause any kind of irritation, it does not cause any kind of allergies or redness, and it's really helpful in removing all the hard makeup on your face, which I think is really nice. Also, I have this small bottle which I think is really travel friendly and I can easily carry it anywhere, so I don't really think that it's going to harm your skin. So now that I have talked about it, let me show you guys its application on my face so that you guys can judge if it's effective or not. How it effectively helped in removing my makeup. So my final review on this would be that if you guys are looking for good micellar water options, then you should definitely go with this one. So my skin is very sensitive and I usually get a lot of rashes and allergies when I try out any new product, but that was not the case with this product. So I would highly recommend it to everyone because I could not find any cons. So I only talked about the pros because I did not find any con about it. I don't know if you guys have experienced any kind of con, then leave it in the comment section down below so that others come to know about it. So that was my review on Bioderma's micellar water. Now let's go to their Atoderm cream. So this is the Atoderm cream which I have received. So I received another small tube just like this one. So it also comes in a large pump kind of a lotion bottle, so you guys can definitely check that out as well. So this was my first time trying this, so I have heard about the micellar water but I have never heard about this product, and oh my god, I really like it. So it's a nourishing cream. Again, this also has some really nice ingredients. So coming to this, I think it's a little bit on the pricier side for a lotion, but coming to its applications, I really like it. Application is really phenomenal and great. So it's a nourishing cream and you can apply it on your face and you can also apply it as a body lotion on your body. So it's really soft and supple on the skin, does not leave any white cast. So I usually use it as a nourishing cream after, that is after I use the micellar water, I wash my face, and then I follow it up with this. It's an instant glow to your face. Also, it's suitable for all skin types. I really love the natural glow that it gives. I think it's really healthy for the skin, and it really helps in deeply nourishing your skin, as it mentions on the tube. Some of these products do not have any kind of a toxic smell. So Bioderma comes with a little fragrance, but that is not very toxic. It's mostly that pharmacy medical kind of smell which we receive, but it's not very toxic. I don't think it's going to be an issue. This product, however, does not have any smell as a lotion should be. It's also helpful in protecting your skin from the sun. So if you guys are interested, you can use it as a base while you're doing your entire makeup if you're stepping out of your house. That's my review on Bioderma's micellar water and their Atoderm nourishing cream. I highly recommend both of them. I totally love both of them. I did not suffer or experience any kind of disadvantages or cons, and I am in love with these products. They are my essentials. They are my go-to. Again, this is also very travel friendly, very pocket friendly, I must say. You can easily carry it in your pocket as well, and also it helps in nourishing your skin without making it very sweaty. So most of the nourishing creams become very sweaty after some time, but this is not that. It's not sticky and does not create that sweaty effect at all. Enjoyed it. If you did, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Comment what makeup review would you like to see next. I've done a lot of makeup reviews, so I think the next which is coming up is going to be a clothing haul, supposedly. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you do not miss out on any further videos. And meanwhile, you can follow me on my Instagram. You don't have to, but you can. I would really appreciate, and I would love to see you guys next time. Bye.